What's up, guys? Welcome back. It's another Taco Tuesday. We do this every Taco Tuesday, so hit subscribe. Thanks, love ya. I didn't even crack my Red Bull yet and I'm already amped. Heading to Wicked Big Meat. Just like the last video, I stopped off in Greenwich to get that sweet, sweet corn juice. So we're putting down a whopping 194 horsepower. Yeah! And now I'm heading to Kyle's house, just like last video. Gotta take advantage when I'm up in the 203 to stop by and say what's up to Kyle. So we're gonna do that, and I'm hoping that the rest of the video will be different from last year. Because so far, we're just copying last year's video, and it's a little weird. Got the trailer in tow, and I got the graphics on the side of the car. They've already worked. First subscriber of the weekend, what's up, Jason? He spotted me out here in Greenwich trying to find the gas station. Let's go see Kyle! If your question is, are we going to do the tunnel thing again? I mean, you should know the answer to that, I think. It's the rule. Eventually, this video is going to be different than last year's video, but now is not the time. Hi, Kyle! Hey. Is this the part where you wash my car? So far, ooh, fancy.
Yeah, this is like the top of the line one.
So far, the video's been literally exactly the same as last year's.
Okay, that's good.
Because, oh, your windshield's tinted, huh? Because I stopped for gas at the same gas station, and then I went through the same tunnel. Here.
The Heroes tunnel.
Yeah, that one. And now I'm here. That's Kyle.
Hey.
All right, it's 11 p.m. Hung out with Kyle a little later than I intended, which happens with Kyle.
Turn left on Meeting House Hill Road.
Okay.
Then turn right on New
But
Haven
now
Road.
I'm heading up north towards Stafford to try and find a place to sleep. So we are downtown Stafford Springs and getting ready to go to sleep. Sleeping in the tent cot tonight, so we'll see how well I sleep and how well rested I am in the morning, but let's go to bed. Good night. Here's my competition right here.
Hey, yo. We're having some fun today, brother.
700 horsepower, nitrous and slicks, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
A whole lot of slow.
All right, car's prepped, ready to go. Let's walk the course. It is a much longer course than last year. So I walked the course once already. Initial impressions, way better than last year. Still a little tight, but has better flow. It's longer for sure. That's what she said. But yeah, should be fun. Should be quick. It might suit my car a little better than last year, so we'll see. First corner is gonna be fun. We're definitely warming up some tires there. Driver's meeting should be happening any minute now. All right. Driver's meeting's done. Let's check out the show.
We got our code to enter the 2012.
So this is the part I didn't get to check out last year. it's the show. And show cars aren't really my thing, but I can appreciate the effort. Like this one here, the color coordination is dope. What is going on here?
I have no idea. I think it's still all-wheel drive too.
No, it's not. Where the engine is, it probably doesn't drive so well, but who cares? He's on RE71Rs, so he definitely plays. Oh yeah, this front axle's in this thing. So the show part, I mean, entirely too much cookie cutter builds like WRXs with black headlights. Kinda lame. Y'all need to step up your game, bros. Alex is driving now, so I'm gonna head up the grandstand, see if I can see him. That's not a Subaru. It's better. This is the gates across the track, so we're just waiting for the drift event to be over so that I could do my own drift event. Time to go racing. You're going down, hot shot.
Oh, time to lose.
700 horsepower my ass.
700. It's gonna be the slowest 700 horsepower you guys ever seen.
And I'm gonna be the fastest 190 horsepower you've ever seen.
That's literally what John and I were laughing about before.
We're like
this
looking
is
at everything. We're like, well, who do you think is the most modified car here? I was like, probably you. Or me.
It's one of you guys, yeah. Let's go racing. It's relevant today because I keep hitting all of your cones. So once again, we won our class.
What's up, everyone?
And once again, we're the only ones in the class.
It's really awesome to be back.
Kind of lame, but I'll take it.
Just amazing and
I had fun.
incredible.
Did some
There's
drifty
a lot
shit.
of cars in the show. You know, it's hard to pick a favorite.
How'd you manage to get 69?
That's incredible. I was just like,
They actually give you the numbers in the order of which you buy the ticket.
3.25 seconds, best timer on the autocross course, DJ Hamilton. 69. Nice. DJ Hamilton, come on up. ID yourself to our associate, and we will get you your trophy and prize. First place in a rear-wheel drive modified goes to, with a time of 46.755, Brian Walsh. Brian Walsh, here he comes. Brian Walsh is on the way up. First place, rear-wheel drive modified. Jared Rubin. Second place, that's a $30 TR Motul gift certificate for Jared Rubin.
This is
Second
cool.
place in non-turbo all-wheel drive.
$50 gift certificate for Motul?
First place
I
in
love
non-turbo
Motul.
all-wheel drive.
I'll take it.
45.816 seconds.
Thank you, sir.
That's fast.
That's Alex.
Neil Malinowski.
I like the little oil drums too.
Neil Malinowski.
fucking did it again, boys and girls. It doesn't say fastest, but I assure you I was the fastest rear-wheel drive modified. And I only know that because I was the only rear-wheel drive modified. First place of one, everybody. Single file, ladies. Yeah, so there was one other car in my class, but it broke on the sighting lap and never actually put down a timed run. So, I mean, I would have beat him anyway. Sorry, Mel. But, yeah, he didn't get a chance to put down a timed run. So, first place of one. That's something to be proud of. Nice 4-hour drive for that. But it was fun. Got to do a little drifty things. It definitely seemed like they made turn one with me in mind. So thank you, Wicked Big Me. So let's see what kind of shenanigans we can get into on the highway. Normally I'd be a little mad about traffic, but I have stickers on my car and I'm getting a lot of subscribes, so welcome new people. If you found me in this traffic jam, leave a comment. So just about 8 miles or so until we're back on Long Island. You can see it there in the distance. What an awesome weekend. We won rear-wheel drive modified, which wasn't really much of a surprise considering we were the only one in the class. It was still fun. Got to do some drifty bits and things like that. The graphics must have worked because we have a lot of new friends of the channel here. Hi everyone, thanks for being here. If you're not subscribed, hit that button because we do this every Taco Tuesday. We're gonna be docking in Port Jefferson shortly and then heading home. So like, subscribe. I'll see you next Taco Tuesday.